Creaks and groans of the motors and the masts on the sovereign sea. Trinkets of shriek and moan, tainted tokens of the past come to trouble me. Out of time, I go running, as you're running out of time, storming for the return from the nothing. I am back to reclaim what's mine. Cast into darkest voids, ever waiting for the chime of the hand at two. Clocks of a heart destroyed, circulating in the blind as they stand with you. Out of time, I go running, as you're running out of time, storming for the return from the nothing. I am back to reclaim what's mine. Keep the clocks running, keep every hammer drumming, time will open the doors. Keep the clocks running, keep every hammer drumming, I'm coming back to the fore. Set the wheels, I'm coming back to the fore. Clockworks lick and they link within. Locks and riddles of rings will spin. Cogwheels linking the springs and vents. Walls are closing in. I've been to some bad places, taken gifts of the darkest shrines. I have seen despair in the saddest faces. Now I'm back to reclaim what's mine. Keep the clocks running.